Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie and this is where style meets mom life. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a speed clean, and you know what I mean when you have limited time and people are coming over to your house and you just need your house to look super clean. And a lot of the stuff I do on a daily basis just because it's easier to keep my house like clean all the time rather than do deep cleaning like once a week. So most of the stuff is my daily routine, like the making the beds and stuff like that. But I always start with the kitchen. I feel like that is the heart of the home. And can anyone else relate when we have like 6,000 of these sippy cups? They're all different straw sizes and I have to line them up to see if I can make them match. I feel like I just want to like buy all new ones, all the exact same. So I am obsessed with cleaning out my sink. I read an article about how your sinks are dirtier than your bathrooms, and that really disgusted me. So I clean my sink out probably 2 to 3 times a day whenever I have all the dishes out. But it's so funny because as soon as I do that and I think all the dishes are in the dishwasher and I've cleaned them all, put them all away, and I clean my sink, there's always like one juice cup that I find somewhere. And I'm like, it just like ruins the whole clean sink vibe. I know that's so stupid to say, but it's just funny. It's just like funny how you just always find little things, especially socks. I feel like I'm finding socks everywhere in this house. Another thing that I do is I make my bed every single day, and a lot of times I don't make it until like after lunchtime, like during quiet time. Like I don't do it as soon as I get up. I just feel like I'm so busy doing other things. But having my bed made at nighttime, like when I go to get into it, makes me so happy. I don't know why. It's like little things in my life that make me happy. Having my bed made, having the pillows all organized and nice, and just I feel like it makes my room look cleaner too. So it just makes it more welcoming. It makes me feel like I'm an adult. So I make our bed probably 5 out of the 7 days. I don't know if I always do it on the weekends, but I try to do it 7 days a week. Which is really funny because most of my life I never made my bed. I was like, why would I make my bed? I'm just gonna get back into it and ruin it. But the older I get, I really find small things that just really make me happy. So making my bed is one of them. So the bathroom is something, because their bathroom is small and actually ours is on the smaller end too. I try to clean them up every day so it doesn't get like out of control, like towels everywhere and brushes and stuff like that. And I just try to keep everything clean and organized. I try to wipe it down every day so there's no sticky, and just trying to keep germs away anyways. And I make sure the back of the door has a bow organizer, so it's really easy for me to get things organized. It only takes me like 2 or 3 minutes in their bathroom to make it look like clean and fresh. So I try to get to that every single day. Vacuuming upstairs, I do like once or twice a week. I try to do it at least once. My downstairs, I have to vacuum every day. We have a yellow lab who sheds a ton. And I'm weird. I really like the vacuum lines too because it just makes the house look super clean. So, but upstairs I'm a little bit more lenient, and I just usually vacuum like once a week. Or if I have people coming over to watch the girls, like his parents, then I will do it twice a week. So that is it for today's video. Please give this a thumbs up if you like videos like this, and make sure to subscribe before you go. I would love to have you, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.